your packet. We are on pages 142 and 143. At the bottom, you'll see 142 and 143. And we're starting with number 44. All right. Use the numbers and signs to write an addition sentence. So we know we have an addition. So we're going to put that there. We know we need an equal, so that goes there. These are our three numbers, 18, 10, and 8. I need you to plug the numbers into the correct spot to make that a correct addition sentence, okay? So when we do addition, we know that how many we have all together should be our answer. So I want you to fill in the numbers in the correct blanks to make this a true addition sentence. So you guys fill that in. Now moving on to number 45, fill in the blanks. 5 fours equals. Now remember when we did multiplication, when we saw 5 fours, we knew that meant 5 groups of 4. So I can draw my 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll be my groups. 5 groups of 4. So each group needs 4 dots in it. Okay? 5 groups of 4 is how many all together. Count how many dots you have all together and write it on the line. The same thing here. 6 fives. 6 groups of 5. So you're going to draw your 6 groups, put 5 dots in each group, and count how many you have all together. Okay? You guys work on that. I'm going to slide my paper up. Number 46 is a little tedious, okay? So I'm going to help you with how to get started. Circle the two numbers that add up to 5 tens and 5 ones. First of all, 5 tens and 5 ones is what number? Let's write that down. 5 tens and 5 ones is the number 55, okay? 5 tens, 5 ones. Which two numbers added together equal 55. So the easiest way to do this is to take your first number, 37, and add it to 15. 37 plus 15. If that doesn't equal 55, then it's not 37 and 15. Then you'll go with your next one, 37 plus 42. Add it up. If it does not equal 55, it's not 42. 37 plus 50. Add it up, okay? I don't know the answer yet. I haven't looked at it closely enough. Just keep going down the line. 37 plus 18. Okay? If any of those equal 55, circle those two answers. So if it's 37 plus 15, if that equals 55, I would circle 37 and 15. That's not the answer. Don't circle that. Okay, but if it was, if 37 plus 15 equal 55, I would circle those two numbers. So what you're doing, you're trying to figure out which two numbers added together equal 55 and circle those two numbers, okay? I'm going to move on. You guys may need to come back to this one since it's going to take you a few minutes. That's perfectly fine. Leave it blank. Come back to it at the end, okay? 47. Alice makes 32 burgers. How many burgers does Alice make? 32, okay? She gives 12 burgers to her neighbors. How many burgers does she have now? Okay, she makes 32 in all. That's our whole number. Okay, 32. She gave away 12. If she gives them away, then we're taking them away. She gave away 12. How many does she have left? Okay, you can leave it like that, or you can stack it and then fill in your answer. You have to fill in these numbers. So even if you stack it, I need you to fill this in correctly. Put your answer here and there. Alright, while you guys work on that, I'm going to flip my paper over. And then you guys can flip your paper over. Alright, number 48. Mary has 90 cents. She spends 35. How much does she have left? So we know she started with 90. That's her whole. She spends 35. So if I have 90 and I spend 35, I'm taking 35 away. How many does she have left? Your answer goes here and there. Now you can leave it like this and branch it out, or you can stack it. Alright, number 49. There are 12 apples. We have 12 apples here. Jeannie's mother puts 4 apples in each sack. How many sacks does Jeannie's mom have? Okay, so she's got some little bags. She's going to put 4 apples in each bag. So let's just draw our bags around groups of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's one bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I have bags. I have 4 apples in each bag. How many bags do we have? Count how many bags you have. Write that number in the blank. While you guys do that, I'm going to slide my paper up to number 50. This will be our last problem for today. Alright, number 50. Kim ate 22 grapes. Lucia ate 10 grapes. There were 40 grapes left in the basket. That's after they ate that many, there were 40 left. How many grapes were there at first? So we want to know how many there were all together. Okay? And when we need to know how many there are all together, we have to add. So we know our circles need plus signs, because we're adding. How many grapes were there at first? We want to know how many there are all together. So Kim ate 22. Lucia ate 10. And they had 40 still left over. So how many did they have all together at first? Will be those 3 numbers added together. Add those up. Put your answer in the blank here and here. You should have answer here and here. Should be the same answer. Alright, after you finish that one, go back to 46. If you haven't finished it, make sure you give me an answer there. And I will